In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a game pass in Roblox Mobile. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, you don't actually have to do this through your application. So what you have to do is go to your browser of choice. So I'm going to be using Chrome, and obviously just make sure you're logged in. But then what you want to do is go to another tab and just search up this exact URL, create.roblox.com, and it's going to come up as the first option when you're typing it in. But then what you want to do from here is you want to go to your creations, and then from here make a place. If you haven't got a place already, just make that, and if you have one, all you got to do is just go ahead and click on it. Then once you've clicked on it, you're going to see a lot of different options. But what you're going to do is you're going to press like the little button on the left, and then you're going to scroll down over here. Then you're going to go to the monetization section, as you can see right here. And then the third option, as you can see, is passes. So just go ahead and click on that. Then what you want to do, as you can see, there's a few passes that I've already made. But what you want to do to make one is press create a pass. And then you can change, the image that it has. So you can have a JPEG, PNG, or a BMP. You can have a name, well, you have to have a name, but it's up to 50 characters. And you can also have a description if you want to, up to 1,000 characters as well. So I'm just going to, just name this something random. You don't have to have a description. So as you can see, it's right there. But when I look at it, it's off sale right now. So what I have to do is click on it right there. And then once you've clicked on it, you can actually change to make it basically on sale. And it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also let us know in the comments what more tutorials you want from this channel in the future.